So today in this class we discuss about the protection method in the Excel. How can protect your sheet, sales and files. Okay.
Yes.
So first we know about that how can protect the sheet. This is the sheet. I want to nobody change my data. So we have multiple way. You can go also the home and select the format and go to the protect sheet. Also you have go to the review tab and just click here protect sheet. Yeah, otherwise most popular. So right click on the sheet name and go to the protect sheet. And here you have entered any password, any type of the password. But remember, if you enter the password and forget the password, it cannot be recovered. In the Excel, no have any way to recover your password. Okay? Reset and recover of the password. So if you set the password, remember every time. So enter the password when you click the OK, and when you click the OK, ask the again confirm password, enter the confirm password and just press the OK. And when press the OK, you can't change anything. You can't change anything. So how can I apply the password? Again repeat.
Right.
First right click
Right
unprotect,
click.
give the password, enter here. Go to the sheet tab, sheet name, right click, protect sheet, enter the password, press the OK, confirm the password, and now OK. Understand?
Okay. Yes.
Any questions?
No, no.
Okay. So when you want to edit the data, go to the sheet name, right click, click the unprotect sheet, enter the password and OK. Now you can enter anything in your data. Okay? But one thing, when you protect sheet and we have enter the password before this feature, lot of the checkbox. So know about the checkbox. They are the allowance. After the protections, user can do this feature. This feature we have just clicked. That's just like I give the permissions. After the protections, user can format the cell. Okay, enter the password, confirm the password, and okay. Now user cannot change the data, but user can change the formatting. Apply the color, border, font like formatting. Okay. So when you
Okay.
right click and go to the protect sheet, here is a lot of features,
Options.
permissions. After the protections, user can do.
Any other follow?
Okay, user can do anything. Okay, which permission will we I give. Now I want to remove the copy. So after the protections, user can copy the data. I want to nobody copy my data. So copy is the part of copy is part of Windows, MS Office. So for the copy, need two selections. If you want to copy the data, need two selections. So when you protect sheet, you can see here the selection by default selection permissions. You can select the data, both of data, locked and locked, both of cell. When you unclick here, both of and apply the password and OK. Now nobody can click anywhere. So if you not the select
Mm-hmm.
the data, can't copy. Without selection, you have never copy,
Mm-hmm.
right? Okay,
Yes.
move to next topic. Next is I want to apply some edit permissions. So this is the yellow area. I want to my protections. We ignore this area to protect. Okay, this is the outside of the protections. I want to this area out of
Mm-hmm.
the protections. User can nothing enter anywhere, but user can enter the data here. So when you right click and go to the protect sheet, here is the one feature, protect worksheet and content of locked cell. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So when we have apply the protections only for locked cell we will protect. Now understand
Mm-hmm.
what is the locked cell and unlocked cell. So when you click any cell, go to the right click and go to the format cell. In the format cell, last tab is the protections. In the protections, you can see here is the locked cell is a locked. Okay, so which cell have a
Yes.
protection tab, locked cell, locked checkbox are locked, it means cell is the locked it means property is the
Mm-hmm.
locked. They cells support to
Mm-hmm.
the protection. Okay, not locked it means
Mm-hmm.
not a locked it means
Mm-hmm.
protect the support the protection, sorry.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we have select this area, right click, protect cell and unlocked the locked and just click OK. Now right click, protect sheet and apply the password. Now you can't do it anything the rest of the yellow area, but in the yellow area we have typed anything.
Mm-hmm.
But one questions I want to same to reverse. So I want to anybody enter the entire sheet but can't enter in this red area. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
So how can? So first we have select the entire sheet. How can select the entire sheet? We have click this rectangle, okay, and right
Mm-hmm.
click, go to the format cell. In the format cell, this is the locked. We have unclicked the locked. Now I have
Mm-hmm.
anything do, all thing do in the Excel. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now we have select this area, and again we have sorry select this area, right click, and again apply the locked. So only for red area are locked. Rest of the red area, entire sheet, it means has the unlocked. So now we have applied the password and OK. You can write here anything, but you can't write in the red area.
Correct. Correct. Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Now Now one questions what is the benefits. So I give the one real example. Okay. So I have make
Mhm.
the one data entry sheet name, quantity, MRP, and this is the amount. Sorry, amount and commission, taxes and total. Now the city and zone. This is the data entry form.
Mhm. Mhm.
Now, amount is the multiply of the quantity and MRP. We have dragged it. Commissions is the 2% of my amount. So we have select and drag down. Tax is the 5% of the amount. 5% of the amount. We have select and drop down here. And total both of the sum.
Mhm.
Apply the sum formula. And we have select and drag down here. Now, where the data entry, just like name, enter the name is the John, and type here quantity 50, MRP 60. When you press the tab, you can see my amount, commission, tax, total are calculated. And every entry we
Mhm.
need to 4 seconds. We need to waste the 4 seconds. Go to the city, enter the city. This is Pune and John in the north. Okay. So I
Mhm.
want to, when you type the MRP, press the tab, my cursor will be automatically jump to next edge column. Okay, because
Mhm.
they are the calculated.
Mhm.
So that time we have used
Mhm.
this example. First, we have select the entire sheet, right click, go to the
Mhm.
format cell, and click on the unlocked. Okay.
Mhm.
Now we have
Mhm.
select the our column DEFG column, right click the format cell and apply here the locked. Okay. Now
Mhm.
right click format sheet and apply the formula. But before apply the password, before apply the password, you can see select lock cell and select unlock cell. So we give the selection permissions. So log cell it means
Mhm.
D, E, F, G. Amount, commission,
Mhm.
tax and total. Okay. And unlock is the
Mhm.
rest of
Mhm.
area. So we have just unclick
Mhm.
here. If we give only for permission for selected unlocked call. Unlocked sales, sorry, unlocked
Mhm.
sales. Unlocked sales, rest of D, E, F, G columns. Okay. And apply
Mhm.
the here
Mhm.
password, confirm the password and press the OK. Now we have right here Maria, and when you press the tab you can see my cursor automatically move to city column.
Mhm.
Okay, right? So we have
Mhm.
not select anywhere. And one benefit also, nobody see my formula. When you select,
Mhm.
then your formula,
Mhm.
see the formula.
Mhm.
But I want to, people can select but can't see my formula, my calculations. Just like we have applied one small formula sum. So people are
Mhm.
select here, copy also, but can't see and extract the formula. So that time we have right click here, go to the protection cell, and this is the hidden. Okay, below of the locked
Mhm.
have a
Mhm.
hidden. Click here, hidden,
Mhm.
and just
Mhm.
OK, right?
Mhm. Okay.
And right click, format cell, and locked here. Okay, now right click here and protect sheet and apply the password. You can see
Mhm.
65 is visible but 240 is not visible.
Mhm.
When you copy
Mhm.
and paste somewhere, only for values paste, my formula is never paste.
Mhm. Mhm.
So we have discussed how can protect your sheet, how can allow the permissions, how can remove the copy with selections conditions. Second thing I have discussed about the how can unprotect only particular area and rest of area are protected. How can protect only for one area? Then we had discussed one example. Okay. Now this is the how can I remove the formula, remove the visuality of formula. Next is we want to apply the password, but multiple password in one sheet. So I have the data, and in the data, I have the one sheet, data sheet, and this data sheet, two people are worked, Mr. A and Mr. B. I want to Mr. B can't access the Mr. can't change the data. Okay. So how can do it? For this, we have need to go review tab, and this is the allow edit range. Allow edit range. Click here, go to the new and type here A and select the entire range and apply here formula. Press the OK. Also apply the formula. Press the OK. Now again click on the new title, the B, select the B area, apply the different password. Okay, confirm the password and OK, and apply and OK. After that you can enter any data. Okay, because this feature work after the protect sheet. So right click on the sheet name, go to the protect sheet, and we have apply the password here, enter the confirm the password and press the OK. Now people can't change rest of those area, but when you try to change Mr. A on area, need to the password. And now we have entered the password 1 and OK. Now we have anything changed until when you have reopen the file. When you reopen the file, again ask the formula. Sorry, ask the password. Okay. So we have access and change the data, access of change the data in the area A until when you until reopen the file. When you reopen the file, again ask the password and try to enter key formula. Ask the weak password. When you apply the Mr. A
That's right.
password, this is save the wrong password. So Mr. B have a different password. So need here type here different password. So you have enter the multiple password in the sheet. Understand any
The
problem?
sheet, yes.
But my sheet is not secure. Anybody right click and delete my sheet. Okay? Anybody delete my sheet. So I want to protect my sheet कि people can't delete my sheet. That time go to the review tab and here is the protect workbook. Protect workbook. We have select here and apply the password and confirm the password and OK. Now people can't do anything with my sheet. It's like insert, delete, rename, move, copy, hide, unhide, anything. My structure is the log, but my file is still open. Anybody open the file, but I want to without nobody open my file without password. So that time we have the two way. First, if your file is new, if your file is new and you have the save as, and go to the more options, browse, and this save as pop up. In this pop up have a tools and drop down the tools. Here is the general option, general options, and click here and apply the password to open and password to modify. So you have set the two password, one password for open and second password is the open with modify. If you not have a second password, you can open as a read only with one open password. Okay. But problem is that my file is old. and I don't want to save it, because when you save my file have a link with multiple files, so they have the problem. So that time go to the file and go to the info, file menu, and the info. Here is the protect workbook. The second option is encrypt with password. Encrypt with password, and you have applied the
Mhm.
opening password, only opening password, without save as your file. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So today we discussed about the complete protection method. How can protect your
Mhm.
seat, how can give the
Mhm.
permissions, how can protect on
Mhm.
particular area, how can exempt the particular area, how can you have
Mhm.
remove the selection and unselection the one particular area, and also
Mhm.
how can apply the multiple password in the one seat, different area, and how can protect
Mhm.
the structure, how can protect your file. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
So here is my formatting part is covered. So we have covered the one section, right?
Mhm. Mhm. Mhm.
Now second section is the data handling. So we have a start from the data handling from tomorrow. Okay.
Data,
Now
data, and data what?
data